Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim said, Malaysia stands in solidarity with Muslims and all communities in the Middle East affected by rising tensions following attacks by the United States and Israel on Iran on Saturday. In a Facebook post, Anwar said, Malaysia prays for the well-being of Muslims and others impacted by the escalation, expressing hope that peace, justice and stability will soon be restored in the region. The US and Israel reportedly carried out a series of strikes on multiple targets in Iran, including its capital, Tehran, with reports indicating civilian casualties. Iran has since launched retaliatory missile attacks on Israeli territory, as well as on US military facilities in the region. Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, was also reportedly killed in the attacks on Saturday morning, according to initial reports.